Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get mint plants in Plants vs. Zombies 2. These special plants are incredibly powerful, offering significant boosts to specific plant families in your arsenal. They can truly turn the tide of battle, making your defenses much more formidable against the zombie hordes. To acquire these valuable plants, you'll need a unique in-game currency known as mints. Understanding how to earn and spend these mints is key to strengthening your plant collection and dominating the game. The only way to get your hands on these fantastic mint plants is through the dedicated mint shop within the game. You can easily find and access this shop directly from the main menu, so it's always just a few taps away. Once inside, you'll see the available mint plants, each costing a specific amount of mints. Typically, each new mint plant will require 100 mints to add to your collection, so start saving up. So, how do you get those precious mints? The main method is by playing the game's competitive mode, formerly known as Battles and now called Arena. This is where you'll participate in daily tournaments, battling other players to earn rewards. Winning matches and achieving higher league rankings will significantly increase the number of mints you receive. The more you play and win in Arena, the faster you'll accumulate enough mints to buy your desired plants. It's important to know that the mint plants available in the mint shop rotate on a weekly basis. This means if you see a plant you really want, you should try to grab it before it disappears. Planning your mint spending is crucial to ensure you acquire the plants that best suit your playstyle. Remember, leveling up your existing mint plants also requires additional mints for each stage, so consider saving some for those powerful upgrades too.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.